The jungle echoed with laughter as Momo and his friends celebrated their success with a grand feast. The moonlit night witnessed their joy and unity. Each animal expressed heartfelt gratitude to Momo, realizing the significance of his intelligence and the power of collaboration. Momo, being wise beyond his years, decided to share his knowledge with the younger generation, teaching them the art of problem solving and cooperation.